Are you using Google Meet or planning to get a Google Meet? Great, because in this video I'm going to give you all the user pro tip for how to use Google Meet. So you can be excellent user of Google Meet. Every time you join any interview or in a work meeting, you will always be able to use Google Meet like a pro. Even also other people will see you like a pro as well too. And in this one video, I'm going to break it down everything for you, all this key important thing what you should focus on. Want that right? Of course you want. So let's get started. So first thing first, you want to know that have you received any Google Meet invitations? So there are multiple ways you could do that. First, you will receive an email notification immediately. So here you go. You can see there is a email notification streaming to your inbox, invitation, discussion with new project, and you can click into it. And after you can see this one, there's all the information, the agenda, and we're also joining with you too as well to all the guest list here as well too. So you can see the view guest list. You can see agenda, and you can see particularly which time and which date as well too, and who also invited you here. So all the key information is here. But here's the point. It's an email, right? You probably click it on and it's already read, and there's a lot of other email will come to your inbox and it will get lost. So how you can keep track what is the meetings you have today? So one of the way easier to do that one, you can just go in the top right corner, you can click the calendar, and here it will show you all the calendar meetings you have in Google Meets is here. So this is an amazing way to be very productive, to use calendar to see what things going on. But here's the point. Here you are only seeing today, or you can click the only tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you can do that. But another way is about you can see the whole week. So you can go to the top right corner, you can click in a new tab, and it will open up and it will show you all the meetings you have today and other days and all the different days as well too. So you could always make sure that you are always on top of what is going to happen to you. So now, how are you going to accept the invitation? There are multiple ways you can accept the invitation. Number one way is about you can open the email, and then you can scroll down and you can see there is a reply yes. That's the way you can, when you click the reply, it's going to open up top right corners, and it will show you that you have already accepted. When you accept the invitations, it will show a tick mark next to you. It's so much important that you accept your invitation, because when you don't accept the invitation, the person who sent it to you don't see that you have accepted or not. Have you confirmed the appointment or not? It's quite confusing. So like an example, when you get a job interview or you have an internship apply or you have a meeting interview, it's almost great that you click the yes mark so they can see that one that you have accepted, means you have got the invitation. It's such an amazing way to give feedback to the person who invited you to the meeting in Google Meets. So keep a note that always click the yes button or even no if you don't want to accept that one. Just one example, you press no, you can press no, and it can show you that it immediately will go to the host who created the invitation. No, we have not accepted the invitation. So now for now so you can see when I put a no, then immediately it shows a cross mark, so the person who invited you will see you and cross button as well too. But when you press yes, immediately it becomes a tick mark, so that means they are seeing you, you're already invited. So that's the way you can accept it in the Google Calendar, that you're any particular invitations. And I highly recommend you, every time you receive an invitation, send them yes. But here's the point. You may want to send in an email as well too, because you have something to speak about. So you can actually go in the top right corner here, and you can reply from the Google Calendar as well too. Hello, dear John, and I would like to confirm that appointment. That's how you can even, and then you can say write down regards. Let's see. You can write it down, a short quick reply, and you can send it through from here in the calendar as well too, so they can get a really great response. That means you have already got it, and even you respond that way too. There's another way you could do it is about when you are here, you can simply come and you can just simply reply the email to the invitations, and it will go to the person who actually invited you to the meeting as well. You can write down dear John, and you can say thank you very much for the invitation. I will join with you. And you can just write it down, and then everything has been done. It's a great communication way, and a lot of people are making the mistake. And this is one of the pieces you could immediately get pro after just watching the video. Always respond every meeting invitations with a yes and no. It's a great that when you're saying no, is always ask for reschedule. Like an example, they send you an invitation, you're probably busy. You can write it down by reply and say, hey, thank you very much. I would love to join. I would love to join, but I would like to propose another time. You can write it down another time and you can reply for it, and they will give you a response, and probably they will say, hey, this is the time we could do, and there will be great discussions. So here's the point. Now you have learned how to accept, and I will also reply how to reply as well too. So now I want to show you that you have already the invitations already in place. Now you want to see how you can join the invitations. So to join the invitations, we want to go to the top right corner. You can click the calendar and you can scroll down and you can see where is today's invitations. You can click today here, and you can click into it, and then you can see the join with Hangout Meet. You can click that icon and then you will be able to join immediately from here. And all you need to do is basically, there are a few things to turn on here: the camera and the mic. So this is your microphone and this is your camera. So now let's do a quick testing that the microphone is working and camera is working too. You can check it out before you're joining that microphone and camera is working. Here you go, I'm here, and the microphone is turned off. And now you can just simply ask to join and you'll be able to join the presentation as well, and in the meeting as well too. So here's the first thing first. So now I want to show you a few other things as well too before that. Another thing you could do is you can simply come by and you can click the top right corner. You can see all the apps here. You can click the calendars and you will see able to see a whole week calendar schedule, and you can click that one and you can join the Google Meet from here as well too. So this is the way you can join your calendar invitations to make sure that you're always there. You can join from email and you can join from the calendar like this too. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually create another invitation. So creating is actually super simple as well. Let's say you want to send an invitation for tomorrow for some time. Let's say tomorrow 1 p.m. So write down, let's talk about Apple project. Now this is the thing, you just write down the title of the meetings. And now who you wanted to invite. Let's say you want to invite Jonathan@revolution.org. This person just got invited. And now make sure that join at Google Meet is included there, so they already get the invitations. You don't need to put in location because it's going to be Google Meet calls. But one of the things is good to do is about adding description. So for one of the things you could do, just can click the more details, and here you can add an agenda, something like this, where you can get an invitation as well. And here's the point. You can choose the color, what you wanted to put for Google Meet calendar. You can choose, let's say you could choose green color, and then it will be shows. There's a multiple colors, so I would love to choose different colors about the importance, so they can my person who will get his invitations will see it in the calendar too. Now listen, I'm going to send it out. This person invitations, Google Meet is already here. I send it through, and you can see that everything is in the pink, but this is actually in green. So people are seeing it as a green, and I'm seeing it as a green as well. And that's a very easy way you can create Google Meet calendar invitation and include your person to join. But here's the few things I want to share with you that could be very useful. Let's say you are joining the call. Let's say you are joining the call. Now you are joining the call. So now there are a few things I would like to share with you. So number one is you can see when you are in the call, one of the things happen is you often get an English conversation, or maybe you're writing a conversation where this is not in your mother tongue. So one of the things you can actually get it on to get some support. And more importantly, maybe you are in an interview, you are quite nervous, or maybe you're having very important discussions you want to get some support, and that support is actually here. All you need to do, you can see the CC button, you click that one, and then everything discussions moving forward in this call, they will come into as a subtitle here. So even you are not really sure about something, you can just see it, and it's very easy. You can turn it off anytime you want, and you can turn it on anytime you want as well too by just clicking into it. So now I want to show you how you can share your screen. It's actually super easy. So you can click in this round, present now click button, and you can share the entire screen. This is everything on your screen will be shown. You can select in a window, you can click that one in a window, and you can choose what you wanted to show in from which window as well too. So another way is even you can choose to do it for a a tab of your browser of the Chrome as well. So you can select a tab, and let's say I want to choose the search button, and then you can move to that everything in the browser on that tab only shown to your other participant, and people will keep seeing that one. What is the thing you were showing? And even like an example, you can come by and you can even just change to anything you want, and then it will be even up to here as well too. So basically you can keep working on another browser tab and you can keep showing them in real time. Amazing, right? So here we go. You have learned, these are the all pro tips you only need to become like a pro in Google Meet, and I have just given to you. And now you may be thinking that how you can even record it. Maybe you're using Gmail, not even a paid one. How you can record your conversation in Google Meet. You want that, right? So for that one, just click this video right now so you can watch the tips and you can start even record that video as well too. And don't forget to subscribe, because we have some special tips coming on in the next week too. So go ahead and subscribe right now so you can get the tips as well too. And let's go, click this video right now and start watching so you can learn how to record as well.